Everyone is asking how to get this viral AI poster transition, and honestly, you don't need a PC. You just need your phone. I'm going to show you how to turn a simple video into a cinematic masterpiece in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Open your editor. CapCut, KineMaster, whatever you use. Scroll through your footage until you find that perfect cinematic shot. Don't just pick any frame. Find the one with the most impact. Take a high-quality screenshot. This is the foundation for our AI transformation. Step 2. Head over to ChatGPT. Upload your screenshot and use this exact prompt to turn it into a dark, messy, cinematic poster. Step 3. Back in your editor, import those AI posters and layer them directly over your original clip. Now, here is the secret sauce. Use the keyframe tool to add a fast zoom in motion. To make it truly viral, add a flash or shake effect that hits exactly on the beat of your music. It should feel aggressive and high energy. If this video helped you, drop a comment below and tell me what you want to learn next. Don't forget to hype this video and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching and keep editing.